As it was a sunny morning, I decided to set out for a bike ride. Had in mind to find a route to a bridge just outside Bulkington that I drive over all the time. Set out through the scenic car park, through the park, and across this brilliant railway bridge. It's a short way then to the path behind the estate, and I'm soon on my way to the towpath. It's the first time I've turned left here. I know I'll go under the Gypsy Lane Bridge, but I don't know where I'll go beyond that. Coming up on the right behind the old bridge is one of the new logistics warehouses. This is Gypsy Lane Bridge. After riding quite a while, I come to a bridge I recognise from driving by it. We're at Marston Lane, which I hadn't previously realised is a junction of the Coventry Canal and the Aspie de la Juice Canal. I check the map here and head towards a bridge on a road called Bulkington Road, which must be the right way. This is Charity Dock. Not sure what it really is, but it's like a graveyard for old boats, and the bank on the other side has a huge collection of old artefacts and junk. I continue on for a while, and then I recognise some landmarks that I realise I'm going in the wrong direction. So I turn round and head back past Charity Dock. We're back at Marston Junction now to take the other fork that I should have taken in the first place. The towpath this side is less even than down the Coventry Canal and very narrow. Nice bridge. I wonder where it goes. Goes nowhere. This looks like the bridge I need to get off at. This is Bulkington Lane. Bulkington Lane, not Bulkington Road. Kind of the end of the trip, I think. Ended up in Bulkington Road, so really good.